Hello, welcome. So today I'm facing one issue while doing a material to material transfer in Migo. So what I'm doing, I'm trying a stock transfer posting with the movement type 309 means material to material stock movement. And while doing so, I'm getting one error. So I'm doing it for plant, same plant basically, and same storage location. So it's a material to material transfer. So stock will not move, but just material will get transferred from one material, maybe new wine to old wine, that kind of scenario. Then after providing all these details, if I do a check, system give me one error. Actually, I don't want it to create video for this. It is very basic error, but it is confusing error. That's why I'm creating this video. So quantity and or delivery completed indicator or a final issue indicator are missing, and error number is M7264. So this is bit confusing error. It's basic error but confusing error. That's why I'm creating video on it. So how to resolve this error? So this is not error, I would say, but kind of just inputs are missing, but it's a really confusing one. So usually we just need to update quantity here and this will get resolved. But the error shown is very different way. That's why it look like something bigger is missing or some configuration kind of stuff, because it says the quantity in and inward delivery complete or final issue indicator are missing for item for which goods movement should be posted via the functional module. So all this, so it is confusing, but it's simple. You have missed the quantity to updated in the quantity under the quantity, and once you do that, check, this will not appear. So I'm here actually, uh, I don't have enough quantity to move, so I'm getting different error now. But yeah, so this error will not update come after you update the quantity. So it's not error, but just a missing field in the Migo. That's why it's coming, and this is how we just update quantity, and it will get resolved. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video with some other error solving for any issue. So bye for now.